How to make debit note in Zoho Books. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's teach you how you will be able to create a debit note. But over here, if you check out in our sales, you can see that there is no option for debit note. Even if we go to our invoice over here, we click on new, debit note is no longer an available option. Now they have removed this and you can now simply create or only create debit or credit notes over here. The information that you input are similar or the same, but the changes is that you can no longer create a debit note, but you only need or you can only rely on creating a credit note over here. So when you're creating or trying to create a debit note, you should try creating it on your credit note instead to be able to record it, since debit note is no longer available as a feature in Zoho Books. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.